Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Doodlebug just released their Over the Rainbow collection and I couldn't resist purchasing it. I only picked up a few items from the collection this time, but there are lots of really fun products. And I will have links provided in the description box if you want to check out the entire collection. I'll flip through the 6x6 paper pad quickly so you can get an idea of what's included. Lots of really fun and bright colors. Perfect as we're heading into the spring season soon. And I like that they kept it very spring themed. You could use the papers for St. Patrick's Day cards, Easter cards, or just some general spring cards, which is probably what I'll be doing. The paper pad has several different sheets of cut-aparts. Here's one with the mini tags, which aren't always my favorite since they are fairly small. So now I'll flip it over so you can see the other side. This is the back side of the tags. There are several different tone-on-tone patterns, which is perfect with all those busier designs. Here's another sheet of cut-aparts, a little bit larger than the tags, so I probably will use some of those. We have lovely plaids, there's rainbows, polka dots, and another sheet of cut-aparts with images and sentiments. If you like the cut-aparts on the larger size, you can always purchase the individual 12x12 sheets. And I have done that before, but decided just to focus on the 6x6 paper pad this time. This sheet has a bunch of tags, or you can use the opposite side. And we have one more sheet of cut-aparts with all the narrow borders. It's a very typical Doodlebug look, lots of cute and adorable images. I also picked up the odds and ends die cut pack. I'll zoom in so you can get a closer look at everything that's included. There are so many adorable images. We have rainbows, hot air balloons, lots of little critters, and also a bunch of sweet little gnomes. I also picked up the Chit Chat die cut pack, full of sentiments. Some of them are on the larger size and would probably work best in a scrapbook, but I think there are plenty that'll work perfectly on cards. We have happy birthday, hello sunshine, wishing you well, make a wish, you're the sweetest, you warm my heart. There are a couple of St. Patrick's Day sentiments and also some fun gnome sentiments. The next items I couldn't resist are a couple of Doodle-Pops. Doodlebug released several different designs, but I decided just to get the two. I have Gnome Sweet Home and Garden Gnome. Both of them are absolutely adorable. The next item is a sheet of shape sprinkles. This one's called Lots O' Luck. Thought it was really cute with all the different clovers and also some small flowers and little polka dots. The final item I picked up is a roll of washi tape. This one's called Spring Has Sprung. Now, I rarely ever use washi tape on my cards, but I like Doodlebug's washi tape. I use it to seal the envelopes I give to the residents at a retirement home. I think it's way more fun to use cute washi tape to seal the envelope rather than the adhesive that's already on the envelope. I'm really looking forward to using this adorable collection, and hopefully it won't be too long before I'm able to get a video up. If you are interested in the collection, I do have links provided in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.